these Wednesday, Wellbeing Wednesdays rock around very fast. You've got me in my sports gear. I've just got home from tennis coaching, haven't even had a chance to have a shower. But I'm here and I have got a really delicious low-carb lunch idea for if you've got leftovers for mince. I don't know if you are like me, but I actually love mince. I love any way that you can cook with mince, and especially leftovers. So what I'm making, a couple of weeks ago, I did a similar thing with where I did cauliflower steaks, but today I'm doing it with gosh, I can't even get my words out, cabbage, and I'm putting my leftover mince on the top. Now, my name is Wick Nixon from Wick, Wellbeing, and I'm all about empowering healthy living for women. So I don't know, have you heard, comment in the box below, have you heard of Wonky Box? So they do wonky fruit and veggies delivered to your door. And I gave them a trial, and I got this small cabbage in the Wonky Box, and I thought that is absolutely perfect for what I'm wanting to do. So I have already pre-cooked some, and I'm just going to demonstrate what I'm going to do. So in my concoction here is some oil, some cumin powder, smoked paprika, salt and pepper, and a little bit of Worcester sauce, because I love Worcester sauce. So all I'm going to do, as I say, I've already pre-baked some of them. I've just cut this about, I'd say, a good 1.5 centimeters thick, and having the stalk on there works really well because it holds it in place. Then I'm going to liberally just put this over top and do it on, I'll flip it over and do it on both sides. And so this is a really lovely low carb, because I know that people are really into low carb. For me, in my membership, where next month is all about upping our veggie intake, so this is a really lovely way to up your veggie intake. So then I'm just going to put that in the oven for 20 minutes. And I'll just put that in now. Obviously you're not going to be here. So, but as I said, I've already got my ones that I've already baked. Okay, so all I'm doing, I've got my leftover mince mixture here. I'm just going to put this on top, and tell me, what do you do with leftover mince? What are your fave tips with that? And I'm going to put it on the top here, over there on the other one, and I'm going to sprinkle some cheese on top. Yum! I just love this. And what I will do is, I love chili. Just going to sprinkle a little bit of chili flakes on top. And then I'm going to bake those again for about 10 minutes. And those will melt and just be so warm, and just that lovely texture and that combination, and more veggies and lower carbs. If this doesn't appeal, then something I often do is I put my leftover mince on top of rice wafers, and then I do the grated cheese and I grill them. I will serve these with avocado and maybe a little bit of a salad on the side, so I'm really upping my veggie intake, and the avocado, so that I'm getting some healthy fats in there. So if you want this recipe and you're not on my emailing list, then head to wickedwellbeing.com/new, and you can subscribe, and then you will get this recipe in my next newsletter. But how delicious. Have you tried this? Have you done either the cauliflower steaks that I did a couple of weeks ago, or have you tried doing cabbage steaks with leftovers on the top? Or you can put pizza sauce on the top and cheese, and you could do bacon or salmon, and the world is our oyster. What we can put on the top is the variety. So thanks so much for joining me. I will see you tomorrow for Thermomix Thursday. I'm going to have to do it a little bit earlier because I have got a meeting. So that will be around 12 o'clock. Okay, enjoy the rest of your afternoon. And remember, if you're not on my emailing list, head to wickedwellbeing.com/new and you can grab this recipe in my next newsletter. See you later.